Hi everyone. Today we're outside because we're going to do some rhymes to do with when you're going to be it in games. And I've got here 3 of my friends. We're going to help me show you some of these rhymes for being it. But if I can ask Heidi first. Heidi, did you ever play hide and seek when you were a child?
Yes, we did. We played hide and seek and we played kick the can.
And what did you do
and
when
freeze
you wanted
tag.
What did you do when you wanted to make one of your friends be it?
We did rhyming games, so we would do counting and
Okay.
sort of elimination games.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do some today here
Okay.
now and then. Okay,
Sounds
I've got
great.
the first one is, I think most English speaking children know this one. It's called Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. And it goes like the following. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the toe. If it hollers, let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Goodbye. Now I know another version of this one, so there's only 3 of you left. It would be Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the baby by the toe. When it's done, wipe its bum. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Bye.
Okay, now you need to do one more because it's 2 of
There's
us
only
left.
2 of them left. Okay, who's going to be it? Ready?
Rock.
Paper, scissors.
Ah!
You're it.
Oh.
Okay, we have another one, which is to do with how old you are. Now, you're maybe a bit older than 5, 6, or 7, but so I would like you to choose an age between 5 and 10 that you want to be.
Do you want us to tell you?
No?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the next one. It's called Blue Shoe, how old are you? Blue Shoe, how old are you? I'm 7. And then what I do is I count 7 round, and the person who's number 7 is out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Bye-bye.
We'll try one more time. Blue Shoe, how old are you?
8.
8. Okay, let's count to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Aha.
Bye-bye. Okay, there's only 2 left. Ready? Blue Shoe, how old are you?
9.
9. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait, I'm it again?
Did it again. Okay, can we all come back again?
And then there was one you were talking about with the foot.
Yeah.
How does that go?
Well, everybody goes in a circle. Then you
In a
put
circle.
your
Come over a little bit here like this so that you're not standing. Yep.
In a circle.
everybody put
Yep.
their foot in, and then you count to 3, and then you decide to have either your foot in or your foot out.
Okay.
Oh.
And like the majority gets to go away, and the last one in have to make a rock, paper, scissors, until then you get to find out who's it.
Okay.
Okay.
So it goes 1, 2, 3, foot. And everybody stayed in, so we'll go again. 1, 2, 3, foot. And now you're safe. So it's us 3.
Oh.
So 1, 2, 3, foot. And now it's us 2, rock, paper, scissors.
Oh no, I hate rock, paper, scissors. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. And guess who's it again? Just like my childhood.
So there are lots of different ways of saying if you're it or not, and hopefully these are some ones that you can try yourselves. If you have any ideas for us, let us know.
Yep. Thanks everyone.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye.